Well, we're naturally looking for good, bright, good clear coverage. You need to have as much coverage with no dark spots. And I'd had Musco at another facility that was in the metal halide that was excellent for us, and they were extremely good servicing at any time. I went up to Lake Point, Georgia with my mayor and councilman at large, and we were extremely impressed with the instant on and off, the clean cut, where we have neighbors here, so we need no light intrusion if possible. And what I saw at Lake Point, it gave us that, and since we've put it in here, it's been perfect. I've had no neighbor complaints at this point, and I just thank God for that, because we worked really hard though, trying to get no light intrusion on our closest neighbors or real close to our soccer fields, and we've had virtually no comments or no negative feedback from them whatsoever. And we've been open now for a year, and those soccer lights are on almost every night. Those that are playing the game or those that are officiating the game have to be able to keep an eye and track the ball. Musco has a very unique, I guess, lighting ball tracking system that's set about mid-pole, and it's turned up. They're actually shooting up as high a foul ball or fly ball as can anybody, major leaguers or whatever, can hit. It's so easy to track the ball all the way from the bat to the glove. So that makes a huge difference in play. And it makes a huge difference in officiating as well, because if you can keep an eye on the ball and you got to go out and make sure we got to catch a no catch, then yeah, it's good for everybody involved. The control link system, it was one of the huge selling points to me. We use our control link that we have an app on our phones. We can turn the lights off and on at will. We can turn on the entire park or turn it off. Actually, we use the control link to operate all of our gates and our lights, and we've attached all the lights in the park to it, walkway lights and all. Yeah, our serviceability is a key factor in being able to operate anything in any park. And Musco's made it so easy because all of the operational stuff, the fuses, everything that they have is only 10 foot off the ground. So you don't have to have a big lift to get up and do any dealings at the poles or what have you. You can just do everything in that box, and everything is in there, the drivers, everything. Yeah, the installation, in the initial installation of these lights was fabulous, because all the poles, all the bases are numbered. All of the light fixtures are numbered for the particular fields. So it's basically a fail-safe method, and it's, I guess, installation for dummies kind of scenario where anybody can put it together right. We have actually other LED lights in the park, our tennis court lights or competitors' lights, and it's very plain to be able to see because it's right next to our basketball courts. The difference in glare. Basketball courts have virtually no glare at all. It's just looking like a glow on the court, and it's actually almost hard to look at the tennis courts from a distance because of as much glare as they give off. If someone came to me and asked about building a new complex or even changing the lighting out on their old complex, and asked what my feelings are towards LEDs and which LEDs I would use, I would have gone straight to Musco, because I've not seen any others that actually do what Musco can do with the brightness of light and the lack of glare. And I've not seen that anywhere on any sports field yet.